Now we will join one device into this AD network. So in the server itself, I open the command prompt and type ipconfig, and this is my IP address, and this is subnet mask and default gateway, and I did the same for the. This is the new VM I created for testing purpose. This is a Windows 11 test VM. So here also I type it, and this is the IPv4 address on the Windows mask. So now I'll join this device into um, that network actually. So for that I'm work on internet settings, Ethernet, advanced network settings, view additional properties, DNS server assignment. So this is one manual DNS server like before DNS 10.0.0.4. Save. Now I'll check ping 10.0.0.4. So yeah, now the connection is established. Now I'll check forest. Pinging forest. Yeah. So the connection is established for the server. I mean, it is connecting, actually contacting. If I click on connect forest, I think it's a wrong command. Yeah, wrong command. But that's okay. The it is pinging actually. So now what I have to do? Yeah, system settings, configuration. No, view advanced system settings. Settings. No, not this one. User profiles. Not this. Computer name. Yeah, here. This one. Click on this. Here, member of add to domain and how to add it. Which one? Yeah. So now when I click on this, it will ask okay instead of dot I typed comma actually I think. Now it is asking. So I have to add one of the users account. I'll use the administrator account because the test account which I already created. I don't have any test account which is enabled for remote desktop option. So yeah. So it will automatically restart once I click on this thing. And if you see this one here, if you open this, if you click on computers, currently I think nothing is there. Yeah, now the client one is already added. And if I want, I can log into that system using the administrator account also. Okay. Till now, I used only the main account credentials, right? Now, if I want, I can log in using the administrator account details also. Okay. Okay. Now I'll add, instead of uh, the desktop administrator, I'll use domain administrator account. Don't fail. Okay. Yeah. If you can see, I'm logging in using the uh, AD administrator account. As AD administrator, by default, Timo desktop login is enabled for the AD administrator. So I'm logging in using the AD administrator account. Yeah, I think I'm in this place. You can see Forest Rooms is the account. And if you go to this PC and see users, yeah. If you open this one, you can see public there and 1 3 accounts. So that's it. This is how we add device to domain. I mean, Azure AD, sorry, not Azure AD, to AD, Active Directory. But the main thing is to add like this. Actually, those two should be under single network. I think. Like for example, this is the server ID and this is the VM IPv4 address which I created is this one, and this is the server IP address. But if you are using something like this as a connecting VM, then you need to create a connection between them. In Azure, we can do that easily by simply creating a connection between the firewalls. If you go to, yeah, I think this is the way. Uh, I think how this is how we have to associate. Then we can do the pinging. That's it. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, you can ping in the comments. Thank you. Thank you so much.